Hey! My name is not Sven, it is Martin, ja.
Okay, so do not missförstå mig right now. This is an upload. Det här är a video, but I am on semester. So I don't want you to think of this video as a video where I lär ut svenska. It's not. This is just a public service announcement to berätta för dig that I am on semester. And even though some gränser have opened up, I decided I'm not going to go abroad yet. I want to wait with that. Instead, I will have Hemester. Hemester is like a combination of home, hemma, and semester, vacation. I know it's weird that semester in Swedish means something different than semester in English. Welcome to språklärning. But while you tittar på this video, I can tell you that I've started a new hobby. My friend Ella tricked me into coming along to play disc golf in return that I would come along to play golf. The Swedish word for golf is golf. And we went to a driving range, we went to a very super short 9-hole, and then yesterday, igår, we went to an actual 9-hole. And det gick ganska bra. But mer om detta in my monthly video that comes out on the 1st. Even though this channel is not my main source of income, it is still my hobby. I do feel that it's important to ladda batterierna. To take some time and just and then come back strong, and hopefully läget I världen will have improved even more, and that we can come back to some kind of new normal. And hopefully that we can come back to a place where we have anpassat oss to this new way of life. So just to be clear, you have not been taught någonting in this video. This was just a public service announcement of me telling you that I am on Hemester. And also, Mondag will be the new day that I upload videos. Mondag, which gives me more time in the weekend to perfect the things I do for you guys. I hope you have a wonderful remaining juli, and I will see you next Monday here on this channel. Ha det bra. Bye.
I have a pair.
A pair of what?
A pair of balls. One ball, two more balls.